Yo, what's up everyone? Inko here. Welcome back to the show.
Hey everybody, Sophia here, and today we're talking about something really special.
Very special. Ramadan is coming soon, and we want to talk about it.
Ramadan, the holy month for Muslims all around the world.
And even if you're not Muslim, this is a great conversation to learn English and learn about different cultures.
Exactly. Understanding different cultures is part of learning a language.
Facts. And today we're focusing on preparation, how people prepare for Ramadan.
Perfect topic for English practice because it's real-life conversation.
Real-life conversation. Before we start,
Subscribe if you haven't already.
this is Cultural English, super important.
Hit that like button, share with your friends learning English.
All right, Sophia, let's start with the basics. What is Ramadan?
Okay, Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar.
The Islamic calendar, that's different from the regular calendar, right?
Yes, the Islamic calendar is lunar, based on the moon, so Ramadan moves every year.
It's not always in the same month?
No, sometimes it's in March, sometimes April, sometimes May. It changes.
That's interesting. So what happens during Ramadan?
Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset. No food, no water during daylight hours.
From sunrise to sunset? That's a long time.
It is. Depending on where you live, it can be 12 to 16 hours.
Wow. And they do this for how long?
For 29 or 30 days, the whole month.
A whole month of fasting. That requires serious preparation.
Serious preparation. That's why we're talking about this today.
So let's break down. How do people prepare? What's the first step?
First step is mental preparation, getting your mind ready.
Mental preparation. Preparing your thoughts and attitude?
Yes, Ramadan is not just about not eating, it's about spirituality, reflection, self-discipline.
So you prepare your mind first, not just your kitchen.
Exactly. Many people start thinking about their intentions.
Intentions? What does that mean?
Why are you fasting? What do you want to achieve? What do you want to improve about yourself?
So it's personal goals for the month?
Personal, spiritual goals, like being more patient, more grateful, more generous.
That's beautiful. It's not just physical, it's mental and spiritual.
All three together. That's what makes it powerful.
Okay, after mental preparation, what's next?
Physical preparation, getting your body ready.
How do you do that?
Some people start adjusting their eating schedule a few weeks before.
Adjusting? Like practicing?
Kind of. They might skip lunch or eat earlier breakfast to get used to the feeling.
So the body isn't shocked when Ramadan starts?
Exactly. It's like training. Your body adapts gradually.
That's smart. What else for physical preparation?
Eating healthy before Ramadan starts. Clean eating, lots of water, good sleep.
Building up your health?
Yes, if you're already healthy, fasting is easier on your body.
Makes sense. Now let's talk about the home. How do people prepare their homes?
Oh, this is a big part. Many families deep clean their homes before Ramadan.
Deep clean? Like a really thorough cleaning?
Yes, clean every room, organize everything, make the home fresh.
Why is that important?
Ramadan is a special time. You want your space to reflect that. Clean space, clear mind.
I love that. Clean space, clear mind. What about decorations?
Many people decorate. They put up lights, lanterns, banners that say Ramadan Mubarak.
Ramadan Mubarak. What does that mean?
It means blessed Ramadan. It's like saying Happy Ramadan.
So it's a greeting.
Yes, you say it to Muslim friends when Ramadan begins. Ramadan Mubarak.
Let me practice. Ramadan Mubarak.
Perfect. They'll appreciate that you know the greeting.
Good to know. Okay, what about food preparation?
This is huge. Families plan their meals very carefully.
Because they can only eat at specific times?
Exactly. They eat before sunrise, that's called Suhoor, and they break the fast at sunset, that's called iftar.
Suhoor and iftar. Can you say those again slowly?
Suhoor, the pre-dawn meal. Iftar, the meal to break the fast.
Suhoor before sunrise, iftar at sunset. Got it.
And both meals need to be nutritious and satisfying.
What kind of food do people prepare?
It depends on the culture. Middle Eastern families might make dates, hummus, kebabs.
Dates are traditional, right?
Very traditional. The Prophet Muhammad broke his fast with dates, so many Muslims do the same.
That's a beautiful tradition. What about other cultures?
South Asian families make samosas, biryani, pakoras. Turkish families make pide, burek, soup.
So Ramadan food is different around the world?
Different, but all delicious. Each culture brings their own flavors.
I love that. Unity in diversity.
Perfect way to say it.
How do people prepare all this food? Do they cook every day?
Some do, but many people meal prep before Ramadan starts.
Meal prep, preparing food in advance?
Yes, they cook big batches and freeze them. Then during Ramadan, they just heat and eat.
That's smart. Saves time and energy during the fast.
Exactly. Because when you're fasting, you don't want to spend hours cooking.
Makes total sense. What about shopping?
Oh, grocery shopping before Ramadan is intense.
Intense how?
Stores are packed. Everyone is buying dates, rice, flour, spices, meat.
So it's better to shop early.
Much better. Shop a week or two before. Avoid the rush.
Good tip. Now let's talk about the schedule. How do people adjust their daily routine?
This is a big adjustment. Everything changes during Ramadan.
How so?
Sleep schedule changes. You wake up before sunrise for suhoor, maybe 4 or 5 a.m.
That's early.
Very early. So people go to bed earlier to get enough sleep.
And work? How does work fit in?
It depends on the country. In Muslim-majority countries, work hours are often reduced during Ramadan.
Shorter work days?
Yes, or companies are more flexible about breaks and schedules.
That's considerate. What about in non-Muslim countries?
Muslims still go to regular work, but they manage. They plan their energy carefully.
That must be challenging.
It is, but that's part of the discipline, part of what makes it meaningful.
I respect that. What about exercise? Can people exercise while fasting?
Yes, but they adjust the timing and intensity.
How?
Many people exercise right before iftar, so they can eat and drink right after.
Or after iftar when they have energy?
Exactly. Light exercise is fine during fasting, but intense workouts are better after eating.
That makes sense. Okay, what about social preparation?
Social preparation?
Yeah, Ramadan is very communal, right? Family and friends gather?
Oh yes, Ramadan is very social. Families break their fast together every evening.
Every evening?
As much as possible. It's about community and connection.
So people prepare by coordinating schedules?
Yes, planning who will host iftar on which day, inviting friends and neighbors.
Neighbors too?
Absolutely. It's encouraged to share iftar with neighbors, even non-Muslim neighbors.
That's beautiful, building community.
That's what Ramadan is about, bringing people together.
What if someone wants to support their Muslim friends during Ramadan? What should they know?
Great question. First, learn the basics. Know that your friend is fasting.
Be aware?
Be aware and respectful. Don't eat or drink in front of them if you can avoid it.
Is that rude?
It's not necessarily rude, but it's considerate to avoid it.
What else?
Don't be surprised if they seem tired or low energy during the day.
Because they haven't eaten or drunk anything?
Exactly. So be patient and understanding.
Can I invite a Muslim friend to lunch during Ramadan?
No, they can't eat during the day. Invite them to dinner after sunset instead.
Ah, dinner after sunset. That's iftar time.
Yes, they'd love that. Sharing iftar is very special.
So if I want to support my friend, I can say, "Can I join you for iftar?"
Perfect. They'll appreciate that so much.
Any special etiquette for iftar?
Just be respectful. Wait for the call to prayer or the host to start eating.
Don't dig in immediately?
Right. There's usually a moment of prayer or thanks first. Then everyone eats together.
Beautiful tradition. Okay, let's talk about common English phrases related to Ramadan.
Yes, this is good vocabulary for everyone.
First, I'm fasting. Simple, clear.
I'm observing Ramadan. A little more formal.
I'll break my fast at sunset.
Would you like to join us for iftar?
Ramadan Mubarak, the greeting we learned.
And at the end of Ramadan, Eid Mubarak.
Eid? What's that?
Eid al-Fitri is the celebration at the end of Ramadan. It's like a holiday.
So Ramadan ends with a celebration.
Yes, after 30 days of fasting, there's a big celebration. Family gatherings, special food, gifts.
That sounds amazing.
It is. It's called the Festival of Breaking the Fast.
And people say Eid Mubarak, blessed Eid?
Exactly. Same structure as Ramadan Mubarak.
This is such valuable cultural knowledge.
And good English practice. Real conversations about real life.
Absolutely. Okay, let's do a practice dialogue.
Yes, let's practice what we learned.
I'll be a Muslim friend. You're asking me about Ramadan. Ready?
Ready? Hey, Inko, I heard Ramadan is starting soon. How are you preparing?
Yes, it starts next week. I'm really excited. I've been cleaning my apartment and planning meals.
That's great. What time will you be fasting each day?
From about 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. No food or water during that time.
Wow, that's a long time. Would you like to have dinner together some evening?
That would be wonderful. How about you join me for iftar on Friday?
I'd love to. What time?
Come around 7 p.m. We'll break the fast together.
Perfect. I'll bring something to share. And Ramadan Mubarak.
Thank you. Ramadan Mubarak to you too.
That felt natural.
It did. See how easy it is to have these conversations?
Just be respectful, curious, and kind.
That's it. Those 3 things go a long way.
All right, everyone, your turn to practice.
In the comments, write 1 sentence in English about Ramadan.
It could be Ramadan Mubarak, or I learned about fasting today, or anything.
Practice your English and show you learned something.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Hit that like button, share this with someone learning English or preparing for Ramadan.
This was such a good conversation.
To all our Muslim friends, Ramadan Mubarak. May it be a blessed month.
And to everyone else, be kind, be curious, learn about different cultures.
That's how we grow. Peace out, everyone.
See you next time. Bye.